So if a denture wearer goes in, or a person that you have to remove all their teeth, what are their options when it comes to dental implants? Like how many implants? What's that process?
Yeah, we get that all the time. Patients wonder, well, can I just get 2 implants on the bottom? And they think that it's going to be good enough. Well, the problem is that that's like a pivot. The teeth rock back and forth.
Like a snap-in denture?
Yeah, snap-in denture on the bottom. I mean, it's better than nothing, I guess.
But they're doing a lot of that where you are?
Yeah, and it's sad because patients are frustrated. They're frustrated that it doesn't fit as well as they expected. It's still moving because by design, it's not fixed in place.
Why did dentists do it then?
Well,
what's your take? Politely, what's your take?
Because it's cheaper and easier.
Okay.
And you know,
a snap-in denture.
If you set your goals low enough, it's easier to achieve. It takes more training.
So the new dentists start out that way usually?
Usually. I mean, that's what I did 25, 30 years ago because it was easier.
Okay. Same as the upper? Snap in, snap out?
Yeah, and it's sad because the bone on the upper is not as dense, so you need 4 implants typically instead of 2, but then you're covering the roof of your mouth and you get a snap-in, snap-out denture. And who likes that?
Okay.
So, no one.
So if you want upper and lower teeth that don't come out, tell me about that part. How many implants?
So typically the minimum is just 4. So all you need are 4 implants. You don't need an implant per tooth.
Okay.
I mean, I can't tell you how many times patients are counting up how many teeth they need and how many implants, and they go, "Oh my gosh, that's 120,000." I said, "Yeah, no, not at all. All you need are 4, sometimes 5.
For a full arch of teeth.
Yeah. Just 4 implants on top, 4 implants on the bottom. They're locked in place, they're firm, they never need to be removed by the patient.
Now what about the upper? Because you know, the upper denture has a bit of suction.
Yeah.
So is it necessary to do the upper?
Oh, well, yeah. I mean, if it was your mouth, you'd want it. Because the problem is that patients don't enjoy eating. Most of the sensation and satisfaction of eating comes from the roof of your mouth, the palate. There's different taste receptors in food. I mean, can you imagine if you take a big swig of coffee, hot coffee, and it burns your throat? You can't taste.
Can't feel it. Oh,
you
interesting.
can't feel the temperature of what you eat or drink.
So with the upper, like 4 or 6 implants, you get a full arch of teeth, same thing. The roof of the mouth is not covered.
Right. It's the closest thing to your own natural teeth. Unbelievable.
So no more dentures. No more traditional dentures.
No more dentures. Absolutely.